Welcome to NX 2312. In this video, we're going to show a new bundle, Fixed Axis Additive Manufacturing. If we look at the Fixed Axis Deposition template, we can see the operations in here are the same planar operations that you have in the multi-axis product, as well as some of the 3D freeform build-up options, but they're going to be limited in the tool axis. This is made for people who have machines with 3D print heads on 3-axis machines and not on robots and 5-axis machines. So if we look at this first operation, it's doing a smooth follow contour, but you're limited in the tool axis. If we look at the next operation, it's doing a planar zigzag buildup for this part. And again, the tool axis is going to be limited to just a fixed axis or normal to the slicing direction. Lastly, for that top portion, we're going to use 3D freeform buildup. And again, we're going to be limited to a fixed axis. None of the multi-axis for the tool vectors are available here because it's intended for a 3-axis machine. This new bundle makes it easier to get into multi-axis additive in a 3-axis version without the necessary functions of the 5-axis version if they're not needed. Thank you very much.